Samantha said that they've been eating. Somebody been bringing them potato donuts and coffee out there at the cancer center at work. She said every day somebody been bringing them.
I think they got one in
Out
Pekin
there?
or Morton's, and somewhere there's a shop.
Okay, she work out past Route 91 at the cancer hospital out there.
No, I thought she was still at the, what's the name place?
She still work at the hotel.
Oh,
She work at the hotel on the weekend, and she go to school. She got to do her internship. That's what she doing now.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think it's. I want to say it's in Pekin. It might be in Pekin because I think at Morton it was Spud Nuts.
Oh, sure it was. I remember that. But because we had somebody bring us some Spud Nuts.
Yeah, because it is called Spud because they use potato flour.
Yeah.
To make the donuts.
She said it's really good.